Check if string exists in a text file. So I've got However, if you enter for example the letter A and the is a user called Brain, the search picks up the A and returns true. How do I search for whole words? I have looked here, how to check in Python if string is in a text file and print the line. However, I don't understand the piece of code.
The regular expression, \b, refers to the empty string at a word boundary, where word is \w plus, or azrz09_plus. If you have one name per line, with no other whitespace around the names, you can search by line with $0 with the re.m or re.multiline flag. That would look like this. Although a comment and an answer suggest, if you do, you may have false positives.
To check whether a space-separated word exists in a file, or the same but reading line by line instead of loading all in memory. If the format of the file is one word, /user per line, you don't need regular expressions in simple cases. If there could be multiple words per line and there could be arbitrary punctuation within, then you could use the regex that you've linked. Word characters are letters, digits, and underscore. Re.escape is used in case word contains regex metacharacters such as
regex seems a little overly complicated for the task. I'll use .split to divide each line in the file. This for a database.txt file made like a database with spaces between users. We need a little extract of the source data to give you a consistent answer. If users are delimited by special characters, quotes, periods, commas, etc., I'll use .replace delimiting character.
The line of code you reference is a regular expression. Basically what it does in this case is ensure that a word boundary, designated with \b, exists around the string you are searching for, which will prevent substring matches like the one you are seeing.
Doesn't want libros TV